Hello everyone, it's Rob from EHS Sales. We're going to show you how to put the modern square window well together today. So basically, when you get it shipped to you, it comes in two items. There's the front piece, there's a package of bolts that is taped onto the sides, and the sides come together like so. So, one thing you need to know, this is always your top, so you'll have a left side and you'll have a right side for installation. So open up your bolts, start putting these together. So you've got your front and you've got your left side, but you want this end up on top. So the trick is that this flat tab sits in front and then these corners sit on top, just like so. So I always start by putting, there's a hole in the bottom so that it holds it at least, and then putting them in like this. I tend to put all the bolts in loose first, because then if you need to maneuver it or fit it together, it all works out. So as you can see up here, this hole lines up, but sometimes you might need a little bit of a punch or a 1/4 inch drill bit, and you just punch it or ream it out a little bit just to get the bolt to fit a little bit better. In this case, we are only making one 12-inch section. So you would come here, you would do the same thing again, set it on top, put your bolts in, everything else. If you were to, notice how on the top though, I didn't put the top bolts in yet. If you were building another section on top that you would join, having the right side, you would put the next section on top and you would bolt everything together at once. Once you have it all put together, like there's bolts that go up top here too. Once you're done, tighten them all up, and then these holes on the side are where you would lag it to the wall, and just be careful. You